souls. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for finding my channel and checking out this video. Please don't jump me, you guys. If you haven't been checking my community posts, by the way, you should, because I post updates and things like that on there. Where everybody can see it if you're not on Patreon. And wasn't feeling that good, so I stopped, recording and stuff for a few weeks. I try to come back as soon as I can, as soon as I was feeling better. So yes, so we are here today, and I really hope Aaron is back in this episode, because enough is enough. Like, I know he's gonna come back eventually, but it's really kind of getting on my nerves because I just feel like it's been too long. Like, they're dragging it out too much, because it's making everything else kind of confusing for me. Because I'm like, what happened? Like, how did this happen? Where he's nowhere to be found, and they're just going on. Like, I just don't understand. But anyway, in this episode or the next one, he better show up, because I really can't focus on anything else until he does, okay? Just so I can understand, like, because it just doesn't make sense to me. Like, how could he have just disappeared unless he I just don't even know. But I guess we'll see. And the reveal better not be disappointing, since they wanted to take this long. So we are getting into episode 8 of Attack on Titan. Okay, once again, I'm tired of being gaslit. Where is Eren, and what really went down with Armin and everything like that? So yes, also the last episode, oh my gosh, Mikasa. God, I haven't watched this in like weeks. So I was about to say I was literally about to say Makima. If you watch Chainsaw Man, Makima is from Chainsaw Man. I was like, Makima? And I was like, no. I was like, Maki. I literally had it switched with the letters of Mika, not Maki. It's like, oh yeah. But anyway, yeah, so she was about to fight two Titans, or she thought she was, and then one of them literally spazzed out, and well, I think that's supposed to be a slur now, but I don't know. I didn't mean it I meant to, like, he freaked out. And he, yeah. So I can't keep up. Anyway, he freaked out on the other Titan and, like, ate it. So I'm like, the Titans are cannibals. They just eat whatever, it seems. So that was crazy. And I was just like, oh my gosh. This is terrifying. So we will see. Everything is just unfolding. So we'll see. I really, really want to see Eren. Yeah. Oh, also just a quick announcement, but I'll give that to you guys as we get started. Just so if anyone skips to the reaction, they will get the announcement as well. So get your blankets, get your snacks, your drinks, whatever you need to feel comfortable, and watch this along with me. Once again, yeah, let's just get into it. Once again, this is in full watch-along format, so the theme song, everything plays through, recap whatever is in the episode, and that is in 3, 2, 1. So, yes, you can support me through Patreon at Real Serene. You get horror movies exclusively on there. I uploaded Pearl on my channel just because, like I said, I wasn't feeling good. So I just wanted to give you guys something versus not uploading anything. But horror movies, moving on, will be exclusively on my Patreon. I am starting the Scream franchise, so this weekend, okay? So if you like Scream, or you want to try it, you can come watch along with me. You also get bloopers. I do early access, and you can personally request stuff you want me to watch over there as well, okay? Or you can send me something on Cash App at Real Serene. And yes, so the announcement I was gonna make is that sorry, they're doing a recap. Okay, this is a recap. I remember all this, but it's hard to focus. Anyway, the announcement is that I will be trying to include the clips for my anime reactions now. I've kind of figured out how to do it because the animes are only like, 20, 25 minutes. So I think I can do it. I gotta make sure if I'm able to, either the next reaction or the one after that, you will see clips. So basically, there's a way I can do it because the animes are shorter. Sorry if you watch my channel for the live action shows like Game of Thrones, Last of Us and stuff. They're like an hour long, so I can't do it. I still only have my phone. And if you're new to my channel, I do watch along reactions because I don't have the full equipment to do edits and stuff like that, like where you guys will have the clips and everything. So I can't do all that on my phone, but yeah, so that's why, I encourage you guys to support me through Patreon or Cash App, because as soon as I can, I will get, the laptop and everything I need to be able to do clips and stuff for you guys. But you can get your own free copy to watch along through my Twitter at Real Serene, or send me a message on Reddit at Serene Wins, and I will give you the link if you don't have a Twitter and don't want to make one. Yes. So it did start, but I wasn't done. So I'm just gonna pause it and restart from after the theme song in just a moment. But yes, once again, my Twitter is Real Serene. I pin where you can watch a free copy of everything I watch except Oshinoko. Oshinoko, it was really hard to find where to watch it for free, so I did find a place, but it is exclusively on my Patreon. Other than that, everything else I watch, anything else you want to watch, even if it's not with my reactions, you can find free copies of stuff listed on my Twitter, okay? It is pinned, so yes, just at the very top. And yes, like I was saying, I think I might be able to do clips for the animes. But I really, really want to do the clips for you guys. Like I want to do, regular reaction edits. But, it's just best to start with watch along so I could just get the ball rolling with my channel. And once again, I do all of this with my phone. Like I edit and film with my phone. So yeah. But yeah, since the animes are shorter, like I said, I might be able to do it. So don't hold me to that, but we will see. I will try with my next edit and see how it works and let you guys know if it works out or not. If it doesn't, then I'll just wait to get a laptop and all that stuff. So if you want to support me to get my equipment faster, once again, you can follow me on Patreon at Real Serene. That way you get content and things like that in return for your support. Or just send me something on Cash App at Real Serene as well, okay? And yes, so I really, really hope I can do it. But we'll see. I'll try my best to work something out. But, we'll see. Get back into the episode. It was so hard to focus on talking while the theme song and everything was playing through. When hearing the heartbeat The battle for trust. If you see me looking up, if you're new to my channel, I'm just making sure my phone is still recording. But she wants to protect him because of Aaron. There go Avatar Senior. I cannot wait to react to Avatar, by the way. Yeah, but go to my community posts. I post updates and things, future things I might react to and stuff like that over there. You can also vote and things like that. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff coming on the channel, okay? How are we gonna lead the Titans, sir? It's not really a hunch. I mean, you watch them beat them up and eating the other Titan. It literally went past Mika to eat the other Titan. Oh, they didn't want to eat her. You could have. That would be hard though for anyone to watch. Don't ask, just run. You see one run, you start running. This Titan looks insane. It looks like a werewolf. I'm still shook at the theme song with all the Titans falling from the sky. That would be crazy. Oh, I don't know why I thought he snapped off his leg. But I thought he snapped off the I forgot his name, but this guy, the captain or whatever he is. But he cut his finger off, the Titan's finger off. Oh my god. I thought that was him. Snap. He did it. Right? It's like if y'all don't do it, who's going to do it? Somebody has to do something. I'm tired of seeing these butt naked Titans. There ain't no way. Not my girl. Not my girl Mika, okay? Never that. Just imagine seeing those huge faces staring at you. It's like a nightmare fuel. There he go. They go the Titan killer, okay? Hey. But what's the catch? Like, what's really the catch? Because he not... Is she just gonna kill all of them and just be like, okay? I'll call him Werewolf Titan. If you're new to my channel, I love to stay up late. And yeah. That's why I be on it. Information we can share so far. 3D maneuver gear diagram. Fan unit. Fans propelled by direct ejection of gas onto fan blades. Output modulated by gas pressure. Okay. And if you're new to my channel, I like to read the information just because it's a watch along format. But if I could get the clips, I won't be reading it no more. Okay? But if not, I will continue just because why not? Like, you know, since it's watch along. But yeah. And also, if anyone's just watching my reaction, they can kind of know that information if they don't have like their own copy up. A Titan size comparison chart. So it says 5M, 7M, 15M, like meters. And then 60M, they all kind of look the same size. Like they're just all huge. So is the skeleton Titan the biggest? Okay, restarting from 10 minutes and 55 seconds in 3, 2, 1. Not the balding Titan. Are they like baby Titans? Or just the small ones? I haven't even seen the small ones until now. I've never seen no small Titan. Excuse me. If I swear, like, if I didn't know no better, I would think that Aaron was a fever dream, and I just made him up. Uh, what's it called? Body chill. Right. That's not the time to be doubting. I said, what was that? What did I save y'all? Do tell, okay? Oh. I mean, that would make sense. It would make sense because when it should hurt them if you shove something up there. Oh my goodness. The Titans poop? That was a creepy smile. That would be me. Yes. They cutting y'all up, okay? Oh, it's like if you miss, it's over with. Can somebody do something before he grabs her? You know Mika is the neck assassin, okay? It's okay, y'all. It's okay. We all trying our best. Mika is the neck assassin. That's what I'm gonna start calling her. She will slice you up real good. It's okay, girl. We trying, okay? It's Aaron. Oh no. Are they, so they're killing it? Okay. I mean, it was killing Titans for y'all, so getting out of here is not gonna do nothing. The Titans are still there. Aww. Right, Thomas? This is insane. Lieutenant can't regenerate though? No, it's dying. Or not? It's just exhausted. It literally helped y'all several times. Stop playing with me. Is that Aaron? He was controlling it? What is going on? Is that why he was like controlling it? Oh Lord. This show is too much. Cause now this is about to be a whole other thing. I got so many questions. So somehow I was controlling the Titan from his neck. That's why it's probably making it eat the other Titans. It's okay, girl. Your man is alive. I knew he was alive. I just was wondering why they would take so long to show what happened. Aaron, you need to wake up because we got some questions for you. Yeah, I remember. Oh, they got a whole lot of explaining to do. So somehow he regenerated. Was him being in his neck like kind of like a parasite? That's great. This show literally feels so fast. I guess 20 minutes is not that long. That's what I'm saying, you know. Oh, it really is like 20 minutes because the last few minutes are just like the theme song. And like I think a preview for the next episode, but I don't watch that. I just stop it when it ends. So yes, because I mean I don't need a preview. Just be surprised. But yeah, I was saying it can really help with me trying to do the clips now. You know, the lesser it is, the better. But yeah. This show is freaking insane, and somehow I feel like Aaron's dad is behind this. Like, because I remember the flashback they did where I think he was giving Aaron something, or like Aaron asked him something, and I think it was in the future. Like, it hasn't happened yet, but they were showing us like what's gonna happen, like a little preview or whatever, or you know, premonition, whatever you want to call it. And Aaron asked him something like, I can't remember what it was exactly, but it basically implied that the father knew stuff, like maybe what was going on, and maybe even Aaron knew some things. So, but I guess he doesn't know anything right now. I don't know. I really have no idea. I'm just gonna see how they explain what just happened, because Aaron got some explaining to do. Okay, but that was crazy. He's finally back, y'all. They did this for like 3 episodes, and I'm so upset. I've never watched an anime where the main character was gone for like 3 episodes. So I was just like, what the heck? But he's back, and he got some explaining to do. So I can't wait till he wakes up so they can let us know, like, he seemed like he was in the neck of the Titan, like controlling it, or like not a freaking Venom, like they meshed together or something, like freaking, what's it called, symbiotes. Don't quote me on that.
There has been a security breach in Lab Sector 3.
Oh no, Maria? Maria! Oh shit.
Whatever. But yeah. But I'm just excited to see what happens next. So yeah, this is gonna get crazy, but that's why I really like, I feel like this show deserves clips, like it deserves, you know, for you guys to have the clips. Like I said, it's not that hard to pull up a copy and watch it along that way. So I'll see you guys on my next reaction. You can check out my other reactions on my channel. I had Oshinoko. I reacted to it like ahead on Patreon. So since I was gone, it was pretty much the only thing I had to upload for you guys here on YouTube. And yeah, but you can check out my last few reactions. Or any reactions you haven't seen. Please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. That is also a free way to support me. It's just to like and subscribe, like my video and subscribe to my channel. You know, if you don't want to get on Patreon or anything, that's a free way to support me, okay? And please leave a comment, talk about, you know, anything, or just about whatever we're watching. And yeah, let's become friends, you guys, okay? So do not be scared to leave a comment. I'm always online, basically. So I will respond, okay? I will not respond immediately, but I usually respond within like 24 hours. So yeah, so I believe that is all. And I don't know, I just feel like I'm forgetting something, but whatever. I need to end this. So see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to check my community posts for updates and just like things like that. Like I give updates on how I am. Like over there I was updating that I was, you know, under the weather and stuff. So if you were wondering where I was, always check the community posts or Patreon. You can join my Patreon for free. You can only access the Discord that way, but for everything else, it starts off at like $5. But you can definitely join the Patreon for free just to kind of see like, you know, what's on there or whatever, or see any announcements and stuff like that. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your night, the rest of your day, whenever you happen to be watching this. And thank you guys so much for spending your time with me, watching along Attack on Titan. Okay, it's getting really good. And remember that God loves you very, very much, okay? Even if you go through things you might not understand, you know, just ask God to guide you and to give you answers, and He will, okay? You just gotta keep asking, and yeah. And I hope you guys are doing well, and enjoy the rest of your time. Bye!